within that, you never know when you need to confuse and puzzle any perp. So come prepared with the Rubik's Cubes. Power bank to charge people. Another power bank. Do a lot of charging today. And of course, the cuffs. Now let me just show you a demonstration of the cuff real quick. Probably the most essential part of my personnel carry. Right here. Imagine that. Imagine how that's gonna hold a perp right there. Pass that to you.
Oh baby.
Look at that now, you're cuffed.
Come on, mother trucker. Thanks, officer.
Pleasure doing business with you.
Fucking dead.